What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today we're going to take a question from an audience. This one I got from YouTube. Hi Sifu, my installment is 2.6k and my interest portion monthly is roughly 1.9k. My rental income is 1.8k. And since my rental is less than interest portion, does this mean I don't even have to declare? Okay. Well, you know it's tax season when I get questions like this. So the answer is no, you don't have to, because if you look at your BE form or the Borang B, the pendapatan sewa part, I'm highlighting this on the screen right now. You can see that column, that empty column is only to declare if you have profit. So if after you have minus all the allowable expenses from your rental, you don't need to. In your case, your rental is only 1.8, not even enough to cover the interest portion. So you don't need to declare because it's already negative 100. But here's the but. Please keep all the documents properly, because you might be called for audit and you don't want to get caught with your pants down. Okay? So keep everything, your loan statement, your maintenance fees, your maintenance fee sinking fund, that's that one, your stamp tenancy agreement, okay, all this keep properly and prepare if in case you get the audit. But the answer here to this question, the answer is no. You only need to fill in that portion, that part, if there is a profit. I hope that helps. If you are not sure what is the allowable expenses, what is not allowed, you can give LSDN a call. I can tell you they are more than happy to entertain you. They are more than happy to assist you to file your taxes. Okay? If you have any more further questions, you can ask in the comment section down below. I will highly appreciate that you ask a comment section down below, because it helps the video get more reach. Or if you feel that it's a bit more personal, you need more personal touch, you have a little bit more things that is complicated, you can actually email me. Okay, you can find my email and email me. It's in the description box below, the email. Okay, so this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.